Pamalama the Chinchilla. Hi, Pamalama.
Is that? Am I hallucinating? Is that you, Chocolate?
Garden, my friend.
Hello, Papa Don.
It's been a while since you've come to see me. Tell me, how was the family?
I'm surprised you're still here.
Yes, I've been here a long periodically time, just waiting on somebody to come get me.
I have a favor to ask of you.
Oh?
There's a shipment of high-class nip coming into town.
Is it legal?
Have you met any famous animals?
One or two.
What about Brad Pitbull?
No.
Dustin Bieber?
No one likes Dustin Bieber.
If you will go and pick this up for me, I promise I will make it worth your while. And I will owe you. You understand? I will owe you.
What happened to your will? You used to spin around in that thing.
Chocolate, I'm glad you asked. I don't know what happened.
Really?
I got on here one day. It just won't move, Chocolate.
So we're just going to pretend you didn't fart just now.
A nice big house for you